A 25-yard field goal for Dante Brown. Ball on the left hash. The snap is good. The kick is up, and the kick is through. And Fort Hays State scores first. It's a field goal of 25 yards by Dante Brown.
Timeout.
Near it's Ramsey and Hazlett. Harley goes in motion. Beaverly far side. Fuller back to pass. Throws it deep for Wendelberger. The tight end has it in midfield. It'll be a first down. Brought down by Blake Bayer, but Matt Wendelberger makes a big catch in space. The Tigers have it in Bearcat territory. They're going to mark it at the 48 and a gain of 27. Wendelberger here to the left, and Manny Ramsey one-on-one coverage to the left. Touching the running back. Full to throw. Looking for Ramsey downfield. Comes up, makes a catch at the 10. Unbelievable as he jumped up over Jaravian Anderson. First and goal, Tigers. Manny Ramsey, 3 touchdowns a week ago. That may be the best catch of his Fort Hays State career. First and goal, Tigers at the 9. Toss to Hazlett coming near side of the 10 to the 5 to the pylon. Is he in? What's the call? Touchdown! Fort Hays State! 9-yard touchdown run for Harley Hazlett, and it's 9-0 Tigers on the final play of the first quarter. 2nd and 24 from their own 4. Back to pass, right, in the pocket. Hit, the ball comes out. Fort Hays State scrambling. Now a big scrum at the 5. They had it. Tiger football. Fort Hays State recovers.
Fields a fumble. Recovered by the defense. First down, Fort Hays State.
Sanders and Schmidt or Seamus knocked it free, and the Tigers are going to have it at the 5 of Northwest Missouri State. Fort Hays State recovers the fumble. They'll have it first and goal, leading 10-0 with 13:46 to go in the second. Here's a toss to Hazlett. He's going to throw downfield for Ramsey. Touchdown! Fort Hays State! The former Abilene quarterback throws a touchdown pass, and the Tigers lead 16-0. Manny Ramsey wide open to the back of the end zone, and the Tigers going deep in the playbook today against the Bearcats. It's a good wobbly kick from Benjamin.
It's loose,
and the Tigers have it. A Bearcat hit it inadvertently, and Fort Hays State will get it at the Bearcat 42. Oh, a huge break for the Tigers. A muff punt. The second fumble for the Bearcats today.
Ruling the field. Receiving team muffed the punt. Recovered by the kicking team. First down, Fort Hays State.
Oh, boy, what a break for the Tigers. They keep it alive. They'll have it in Bearcat territory at the 41-yard line. 3rd down and 5 here from the Tiger 42. Northwest by 2 with 31 seconds left until halftime. 3 receivers near. Back to pass right. Has time. Steps up. Throws. It's caught. First down. Now the ball dislodged. Fort Hays State picks it up. Jordan Starks to the near side. He's at the 20 and then gets taken down right there at the 20-yard line. The Bearcats fumble it. It was caught in a crossing pattern by Harper, and Tanner Hookman hit him and jarred it free, and Fort Hays State will have the football with 15 seconds left. Oh, what a big-time play. Play action, full to throw, has time, he's going deep, and he's looking for Hazlett, who makes it over the shoulder catch with a Bearcat draped all over him. He got just enough separation from Jacob Gassman. It's a first down to the Bearcat 36-yard line on a completion of 36 to Hazlett. Ball is on the right hash. Jay the holder, Alex Van Pelt the long snapper. This to put the Tigers back on front. The snap is down, the kick is up, the kick has plenty of distance, and it is good. So Fort Hays State has retaken the lead. 20-19 over Northwest Missouri State. Boy, you kind of waste that great 36-yard catch by Hazlett and have to settle for the field goal, but it is 3, and the Tigers are back out on top. Chance takes the snap. He's going to throw for Harley Hazlett, who goes up and gets the foot down to the 49-yard line. Got shoved out of bounds by Blake Bayer, but it's a 1st and 10 to the 49 on a 17-yard catch. Fuller takes the snap, looks to his right, caught by Bieberly. It's a first down, spins out of a tackle to the 25, down to the 22. First down, Fort Hays State. Phillips comes back to make that tackle. All the way down to 22 and a gain of 20. There's an injured Bearcat.
Defense.
Oh, boy. be a 33-yard try from the near hash. The kick from Brown is up. Plenty of leg, and it's good. And the Tigers are within 3, 26-23 on the field goal from Dante Brown. And we have a timeout. From the shotgun, Braden Wright. On 2nd and 2, takes a low snap. He's going to throw. Tigers blitz, looking for Donadell. It's going to be intercepted. Picked off by Jordan Starks at the 4. It was underthrown, and Starks made a sliding pick. And the Tigers get the turnover with the 10:20 to go.
First down, Fort Hays State.
Jordan Starks with the interception. His 3rd of the year. And the Tigers have the ball. Pass across the middle, caught by Ramsey. He breaks a tackle, breaks out of another one at the 50, down to the 45-yard line. 1st and 10, Fort Hays State. Fuller back to pass, throws far sideline, caught by Baberly. He's at the 30, another first down. A gain on the play of 15. Jarrell Green the tackle. There's 20 seconds left in the game. Dante lines it up with his right hand, now takes his 3 steps to the left. This to force overtime at Lewis Field. Snap is low, the hold down, the kick is up. It's gotten enough distance. Will it get through? It is gone! It's good! He hit it! 56 yards! A career long for Dante Brown! And we go to overtime! 26-26! Happy senior day, Dante Brown! Oh my goodness, what a kick! Wow! Snap back to Fuller, under pressure, throws across the middle, it is, it's caught! Touchdown! It was almost intercepted! Dandre Reed scores! And the Tigers are an extra point from forcing a second overtime! How is that not intercepted? It went right through the hands of the Bearcat defensive back, and Reed on a 25-yard touchdown catch gets the Tigers within 1. 38-yard field goal attempt for the left hash for Northwest Missouri State to win it in double overtime today. Snap down, hold is good, the kick is up, and it is good. And Northwest Missouri State in 2 overtimes ends Fort Hays State's playoff hopes. The Bearcats beat the Tigers 36-30. What a game today. These two teams for the last 3 years have played 3 of the best football games in the MIAA. Unfortunately for Fort Hays State, it comes up short. They got all the help from everybody else today. Unfortunately, they could not take care of business themselves, and Northwest Missouri State wins it at Lewis Field. 36-33, they knock off the Tigers.